If you have bleeding that's lasting longer than 8 days, you're bleeding between periods, your cramps are so painful that it's affecting your ability to function, or you're having heavy periods as evidenced by the fact that you're passing clots that are at least 1 inch in width, you're having to wear both pads and tampons because you're bleeding too much, you have to change them every 1 to 2 hours, or you have to get up and change a pad or a tampon in the middle of the night. These are all things that you should talk to your doctor about. It can be a sign of other problems. The explanation for the abnormally long or heavy periods is going to depend on your body and situation, but usually it comes down to 4 different causes. You might have uterine fibroids or growths in your uterus. Sometimes it's due to a clotting disorder or a thyroid problem, and sometimes you're not ovulating or releasing an egg every month, and that can contribute to heavy bleeding. If you're losing too much blood each month, this can lead to a condition called anemia, and this is going to cause you to feel extra tired. You just don't have much energy. You might have headaches, feel a little bit dizzy, or if you exercise or exert yourself, you notice that your heart is racing more than it should and you have difficulty breathing. These are all things that should also be brought up with your doctor. In addition to trying to find out the reason for the excessively long or heavy periods, the doctor will probably check into anemia and will want to do blood work, possibly an ultrasound, and in some cases a biopsy is necessary to figure out what's going on. The treatment for you will depend on your situation, but sometimes it can include birth control, hormone therapy, medications to thicken your blood, and sometimes surgery, especially if the cause was a growth in your uterus that has to be removed. If you have more questions for me in the future, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page at facebook.com/Intermountain Moms, and recommend us to your friends and family too.